What's the meaning of concise? Concise. Concise.
Concise. Concise. The word concise means something that is brief, clear, and to the point, without any unnecessary or irrelevant details. A concise piece of writing or speech is typically easy to understand and remember because it conveys its message succinctly. Being concise is a desirable quality in many contexts, including business, academic, and creative writing, as well as in everyday conversations. By being concise, one can avoid confusion and misunderstanding, save time and effort, and deliver a more effective message that resonates with the audience.